Hello guys, welcome back to DK Travelog. My name is Dinesh and recently I bought this particular product which is known as DJI OM4. Okay, I'm facing a very big issue with this device, which is like the device is getting into standby mode and it is staying over there. It got stuck in standby mode and it is not working. Okay, I tried contacting a lot of people, even the seller. Okay, even I contacted DJI support through Facebook, and they gave me like a lot of tips and tricks to reset this device, and nothing worked. And even I saw a lot of people complaining about this particular thing in so many DJI forums, but still a few weeks before I found a temporary solution for this problem. Okay, note that this is a temporary solution, it is not a permanent solution. You need to replace the device because the hardware is having a problem. Okay, let us jump into this video and see what is the solution for this problem. As you can see, I'm having Osmo Mobile 4 and my primary device which I'm going to mount it here. Okay, so this is nothing but S9 Plus, that is Samsung S9 Plus, and it is like it is compatible for this product. And yeah, let me just open this device. So this is how it will be, and I've just mounted this one. Okay, I just screwed this, so let it be as a stand, and I'm just opening the device. Okay, I'm putting the stand on, and yes, let me mount this mobile. Okay, let me just mount this mobile here. Okay, so it is mounted perfectly, and as you can see, the white color dot as well as this magnetic lamp is at the correct point. Okay, so now let me just switch on the device. Okay, so let it be like this, and I'm switching on the device. So this is what the problem is all about. Okay, so once you switch on the device, this light, okay, so this light will be keep on blinking. That is nothing but this device got stuck in standby mode. Okay, so that is what the problem is all about, and I just found the solution for this problem. But before that, can you see this M button? Yeah, so this M button, if I press once, and you'll be hearing a beep sound. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, you heard a beep sound, right? So that is the button to wake up the device from standby mode as well as to put it in standby mode. So that is not working. Okay, so I found the solution by knowing that the problem is with this arm. Okay, so with this arm, this motor as well as this arm. Okay, so let me just bend this like this. Okay, and I'm just giving a little bit force to make it come back normal. Okay, so you'll be hearing that thud sound. Let us see. Okay, I've just done this and I'm switching it on. Still it is not working. Okay, let me do it again. Yeah, can you see? Now it started working. So now it is perfectly working fine. So if I press down, the camera is moving down. If I press up, the camera is moving up. Okay, so this is what the problem is all about. Hope you guys learned something today. Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video and share your feedbacks in the comments. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.